Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in your Jaguar XE key fob. First, gather your materials. You'll need a new CR 2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple process will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side and press it to slide out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist. The two halves of the key fob casing should separate with minimal effort, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up, usually the positive plus side. Gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery using your screwdriver. Now, insert the new CR 2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. It should click securely into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely snapped shut. Slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. And hey, for an even cleaner home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.